Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change the DNS settings on your Mac, which can help improve your internet speed and overall connection. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. From the left sidebar, click on Wi-Fi, and make sure you're connected to a network. Next, find your current Wi-Fi network, and click the Details button next to it. Now, go to the DNS tab. Here, you'll see a list of DNS servers. To add your own, first select any existing DNS addresses and click the minus button to remove them. Once that's done, click the plus icon to add a new DNS server. Now enter this first address, 8.8.8.8. Click the plus icon again and add the second one, 8.4.4.4. These are public DNS servers from Google and are known for being fast and reliable. After that, click OK to save your changes. If you want to try another option, you can repeat the same steps and use these DNS addresses instead. 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. These are provided by Cloudflare and can sometimes be even faster depending on your location. Once you've applied the changes, test your internet speed to see which DNS works best for you. And that's it. You've successfully updated your DNS settings on your Mac.